Hey everyone, welcome to another Artsy rug preview video. I make rugs now, if you didn't know that. And today I have for you these spooky rugs. I have 6 spooky rugs to show you. Possibly one spooky garland, and then some t-shirts. So we're gonna jump straight in. Alright, first up, we have, actually, this is a really special rug because this is a recreation of the very first rug that I ever tufted, and it is the Ghosty Sparkle Eyes Ghosty rug. It's so freaking adorable. So yeah, the first time that I tufted a rug and like finished the rug and everything, it was this basically design. It was a ghost with sparkle eyes surrounded. It's exactly this. Actually, I'll show you. This is the original design, and this is my recreated design. I redrew it, everything. Well, the ghosty is more symmetrical, and the shape of the rug is more symmetrical, and everything is just so perfect. And you'll see from these beautiful close-up shots that it is just stunningly carved. All the details are beautiful. The colors are lovely. It is backed with a non-slit backing, as are all of my rugs. And it also has the AMW slime tag, again, as all of my rugs will have. The next rug has a couple of pine needles on it, and the next rug that I have to show you is Skelly. Well, not the Skelly, because there is a Skelly rug coming up, but the skull head, the skull rug. Sheesh. The details of this rug, like the carved out details, are unlike anything I've done before. The little teeths were so hard to do, but they came out so good. And then the carving on the flowers, it's just stunning. So cool. I did like one color for the flowers besides that little center bit, and then carved the lines to give it the, the petals, and then the different lines in the petals. I love this rug so much. So this is the skull rug. And like I said, all backed with a non-slit backing, and then the slimy AMW tag. Next up is the one and only Skelly rug. Oh my god! This rug is so perfection. It is so freaking cool. I am so proud of this freaking skeleton coffin rug. It's just perfect. Again, the details, so amazing. I love the broken ribs. It's just, everything about this rug is my favorite. And it is a good sized rug. Like, I don't know whoever grabs this can do whatever they want with it, obviously, but this would be a cute, like, hallway rug or something. Anyway, it is so good. Next up is another biggin, and it's one of my favorites. Oh my god. I mean, they're all one of my favorites, but this is the Bat Moon rug. When I tell you that this turned out way bigger than I ever planned for it to, believe me, because it absolutely did. It's a pretty big rug. So we've got some sparkles and stars. We've got a big crescent moon and the bat flying over some creepy trees. Y'all, I love this rug. Oh my god. I feel like this is really gonna just make a space look so good. Again, the details of this one, the carved out detail. The moon is everything. The sparkles are everything. The bat is everything. I love everything from this drop. Okay, next one is the jack-o'-lantern trio. It's a stack of cute jack-o'-lanterns. I love these guys so much, and I know I need to shut up about the details, the carving, but y'all, it's my favorite part of the process, and I'm really proud of this one in particular, because the carving it brought everything to life. It is so adorable. It is such a cute rug. The top two are like a brighter orange, and then the middle one is a darker orange because I didn't want them to all be the same color and kind of blend into each other. And then they have different stem styles. They obviously have different spooky faces. I love. And the last one is rolled upside down, so that's awesome. But it is a jack-o'-lantern witch. This is another like really big, this is a good sized rug. Oh my god, look! It's so adorable. So it has a black and gray swirly witch hat, and its little stem is coming out and like kind of sticking out of the hat, and then his face is a classic jack-o'-lantern face. It is so freaking cute, and this is that like a bright orange, and then I did some like dark orange lines. I'm gonna say it, the carving on this one was just, it's so great. Like this swirly section is so satisfying. All right, and the last thing, well, not the last thing, but the last tufted thing that I made is this garland, and it's so compact right now because I wanted to get it all in one frame, but oh my god, it is the cutest spooky garland. So we have bat, sparkle, moon, star, sparkle, bat. And it's so freaking adorable. I will say for this, because I like to be as completely transparent as possible, it does have some weight to it. So if you grab this and you tie it up, you will have to tie it tight and kind of like taut, if that makes sense. So I think if you were to let it sag a lot, it's going to do this, because they're all strung on a piece of ribbon, and then so they are backed with felt, and then they have these loops that the ribbon is going through all of them. So you technically could take them off and like rearrange it however you want, or you know what you could also do is like tie it on two ends, right? And then in the middle you could like pin it up on the wall so that it has like two kind of swooping sections. Or you could like do two pins and have the middle star kind of be in its own smaller loop, and then have two bigger loops with the rest of the things, because that's kind of how I did it. Was like the star is the one single thing in the middle. I don't know, you can do whatever you want with this, but I just wanted to let you know that it does have some weight to it. So I think if you were to let it kind of sag, they will all jumble into one. But I do think there is a way to kind of hang this, or like maybe with pins you could kind of do however you want to do it. So yeah, they're all backed with felt with those loopies sewn on, and then they are strung up with a like shiny, not shiny, but like a satin ribbon. All right, so the last thing that I have to show you are these t-shirts. Mine now has a bunch of fuzz on it, but we're gonna have some t-shirts with this spooky rug drop. I have 3 versions of this shirt. So this is the first one, where it's just one half of the heart and it's till death. It has a bat and a little skull on the bottom, and it's just like half of a broken heart. And then the other version of the shirt is the other half of the broken heart that says "Do Us Part," again with the bat and the skull. This is what it looks like close up. So you could get one version of these shirts and like wear them with your partner, wear them with your bestie. I just think this is so cute. I think what I am going to do, because these are samples that I got to kind of check everything out, is I want to move this version, the "Do Us Part" version. I don't want it to be on the same side. So let's say you're standing next to your friend. Pretend this is my friend. Well, actually, pretend this is Sean, because this is Sean's shirt. Yes, they're facing each other, but wouldn't it be cute if that half were on their right side? So mine will stay on the left side, and then the "Do Us Part" will be on the right side. So when you're standing next to them, they'll kind of be like right next to each other. Isn't that cute? Also, really quick, I did just want to remind you guys that these rugs are meant for like decorative purposes only. They're not meant for you to like wipe your shoes on. And I would also suggest putting them in like a low traffic area. Obviously you can like step on them and walk on them because they're rugs, but they are art, so just take care of them because they're just art, you know? Okay, so that is everything that I will have for you in this drop. The drop is happening tomorrow, Sunday, September 17th at 3 p.m. Eastern. So everything is going to work basically the exact same as the drop that we did recently. It will be on my Fourth Wall website. All the rugs and the garland are going to come wrapped in my stamped paper, just like last time. So I stamped this myself with the stamps that I made myself. And then you're also going to get a card that I stamped myself as well. The shirts are all through Fourth Wall. So they are going to be shipped from Fourth, like they're going to be printed through Fourth Wall. They're going to be shipped from Fourth Wall. So if you get the shirts, they are not going to be packaged in the same thing as the rugs or the garland or whatever you get from me that I made. And they are not going to come with the card or the paper because, like I said, they're being printed by Fourth Wall and then shipped out from Fourth Wall. So I have nothing to do with like the shipping part of the t-shirts. While we're on shipping, shipping is calculated by Fourth Wall based on the weight and where I am, like shipping it from, and where you are and where I'll be shipping it to. Since the drop is happening on Sunday, I will be shipping things out probably the following Friday. So I'll be packing things up during the week and then I will ship everything out on Friday. The rugs and the garland are all a first come, first serve sort of thing. And then the shirts I will leave up because, like I said, Fourth Wall kind of prints those, so the shirts will definitely stay up for a little bit. Yeah, I think that's it. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Like I said, the drop is tomorrow, September 17th at 3 p.m. Eastern, so check what time that is for you. Again, let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. I will try to answer them. I'm very nervous once again. Anyway, thank you guys for your support and for watching this video. My freaking palms are sweaty. I'm very nervous, but I'm excited. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.